forgot that we owned this Monocle San Francisco book. I was like, oh wow, this is actually really interesting. San Francisco has more green spaces than you can poke with a hiking pole. You may be visiting a city, but you certainly won't find yourself short of grass. Isn't that crazy? There's so many parks here. I am thinking of like new San Francisco videos to make next month. This month, next month. And I don't know. I'm just like so excited. I honestly really love the city and I want to make videos that appreciate it. Hitting up a few spots that I've heard of or have been on my list. I think that'd be really nice. So this video is about all of the new places and restaurants I've been trying in the past 2 weeks in the city. So the first is Pallas. This show is called Looped In. We went to support a friend, Stella, who had some of her pieces in the show. But I was really drawn to the space. I thought it was beautiful. I really enjoyed the curation of it. And then right after we went to Mensho, which is a ramen restaurant that's been around for almost 10 years in the city. It's really famous, but notoriously always a line. The next day, one of our friends, Cynthia, was heading back home and we decided to go to one of her favorite restaurants, which is Laundromat. Also a pretty popular spot in the city for their bagels and also their pizza. And it was my first time. I really loved the environment. It felt really cozy. The pizza was really good and wine was delicious.
Aww.
Yeah.
Oh my god, flowers!
Look at the flowers.
What? I was like looking at the flowers and she's like, "This one some flowers?" And she gave me. Oh my god, it's a... She knows.
On Saturday, Chris and I decided to try Daymoon, which is one of my friend's favorite cafes in Sunset. It was so beautiful. It kind of reminded me of cafes that I've been to in Berlin, and their coffee was also really good.
Yeah, but like...
Letting go of his place.
Oh, really?
So Yima is leaving and he's like, you want it?
We also stopped by Rising Star Laundry, which is a fairly newish shop in Cole Valley. They definitely have a lot of menswear, some women's wear, just a very beautifully curated small shop. On Monday night, Daymoon had a pizza pop-up. We went with all our friends again, just enjoyed a bit of a warmer, sunnier evening in San Francisco by the beach. Afterwards, we were all still a little hungry, so we went to Hookfish to get a final meal. This is like one of the most popular spots to get fish tacos, fish burritos. They have the most amazing tortilla chips and a really delicious carrot salsa. Don't skip out on this. At this point, we're at the end of July. The sun has been coming and going, teasing us a bit in the city, but every time it's really nice and warm. Chris and I like to go take Choco out after work. friend is in town, Puno. I'm gonna see her right before she catches her flight to LA this morning. But yeah, I always love when people are in town because it just gives me a reason to go to cute places. Really beautiful and sunny today, as you can see. I think it's the warmest day this week, so I'm kind of stoked for that because it's been so cold lately here in the city.
Oh, I got some bread too. Right here. Yeah.
I just like the shape.
The shape. Yeah, you gotta.
Just like what? On Sunday, we stopped by Sommer, which is another cute shop I've been wanting to visit. It's in Bernal Heights, very curated, niche, lovely designer brands that I follow. We went there to pick up a gift for a friend's birthday. And while we were in town, we went to the Bernal Heights Park just to enjoy the view a bit. And on our way home, we stopped by this dumpling shop that our friend Christine recommended and got a nice dinner to end our weekend. So that's all the spots I've tried in the past 2 weeks. Honestly, all very amazing. I recommend all of them. And I'm excited to keep trying new places in San Francisco. If you guys have any recommendations, please comment. Okay, see you guys very soon. Bye.